agricultural حرشاوي ومحرساوي نمال agricultural. Example: agricultural development حرشاوي ومحرساوي معبالة نمال agricultural development. ahead نقدميت أقدمو مرحة قدم حلفة نمال ahead. Example: we've got a lot of hard work ahead. بزح ጻዕሪ ዘድልዮ ስራሕ ኣብ ቅድሜና ይጽበየና ኣሎ ነማል we've got a lot of hard work ahead. aid ደገፍ ሓገዝ ረድኤት ሕብብር ወፈያ ነማል aid. Example: economic aid, emergency aid, medical aid. economic aid, emergency aid, medical aid. ኢኮኖሚያዊ ረድኤት ህጹጽ ረድኤት ወይ ድማ ሕክምናዊ ረድኤት ነማል economic aid, emergency aid, and medical aid. aid ፊደላትን ረእይዎን ኢኹም ፍልሊ ኣናብአን ሓደ እየን ምዛ ቅድሚት ለላ aid. Example: Dr. Debretzion's aid. ናይ ዶክተር ደብረጽዮን ሓጋዚ ወይ ረዳት ነማል ዶክተር ደብረጽዮን's aid. aim ዓለመ ሃቀነ ጻዕረ ሓደ ነገር ንምርካብ ወይ ኣብ ሓደ ነገር ንምብጻሕ ንምዋል aim. Example: what are the aims of the lesson? What are the aims of the lesson? علامات نايت تمرتي انتاي يوم نمال what are the aims of the lesson? air አየር ንፋስ ሰማይ ሃዋህው ነማል air. Example: let's go out for some fresh air. ننافس نخيد ወይ ننافس نوصع نمال let's go out for some fresh air. aircraft ነፋሪት ወይ አይሮፕላን ነማል aircraft. Example: military aircraft ወታደራዊ ነፋሪት ወይ አይሮፕላን ነማል military aircraft. airline መገዲ አየር ወይ መስመር ነፋሪት ወይ መስመር አየር ነማል airline. Example: on international airlines ዓለም ለኻዊ መገዲ አየር ነማል on international airlines. airport معرفة نفرتي ወይ معرفة አየር ነማል airport. Example: how far is it from here to the airport? ካብዚ ናብቲ معرفة ነፈርቲ ክንደይ ይርሕቐቱ ነማል how far is it from here to the airport? alarm ስምባደ ብህራረ መጠንቀቕታ ኣሰንበደ ኣባህረረ ነማል alarm. Example: set the alarm for 6 o'clock. Set the alarm for 6 o'clock. እታ ሰዓት ደወል ን12 ሰዓት ምለያ ነማል set the alarm for 6 o'clock. alarmed بحر ነገር ተጨነቀ ወይ ሰንበደ ነማል alarmed. Example: she was alarmed by the breaking news. በቲ ሰበር ዜና ተጨኒቃ ነራ ነማል she was alarmed by the breaking news. alarming ደሰንብድ ዘፍርሕ ዘባህርር ነማል alarming. An alarming increase in crime. ደሰንብድ ናይ ገበን ምውሳኽ ንምባል an alarming increase in crime. album መትሐዚ ስእሊ ጥራዝ ንምባል album. example a photo album ናይ ፎቶ አልበም ንምባል a photo album. alcohol ናይ መስተ alcohol ንምባል alcohol. example do you have alcohol free drinks? ካብ alcohol ነፃ ዝኾነ መስተ ኣለካ ዶ ንምባል do you have alcohol free drinks? alcoholic alcoholaዊ ንመስተ እዩ ብምኽንያት alcohol ዝመፀ ብalcohol ዝተወለፈ ንምባል alcoholic. example he is an alcoholic ንሱ በአልኮል ዝተወለፈ እዩ ንምባል ወይ ሱሰኛ እዩ ንምባል he is an alcoholic. alive ሕያው ዘይሞተ ህሉ ብህይወት ዘሎ ንምባል alive. example is your grandmother still alive? እነም ቤትኻ ብህይወት ኣለዋ ድየን ንምባል is your grandmother still alive? all ኩሉ ዘበለ ሙሉ ብዙሕ ጥራይ በይኑ ንምባል all. example all the people you invited are coming. ኩሎም ዝዓደምካዮም ሰባት ይመፁ ኣለዉ ንምባል all the people you invited are coming. alliance ኪዳን ምትእስሳር ምሕዝነት ምትሕብባር ሽርክነት ውህደት ንምባል alliance. example to form an alliance or to make an alliance ምሕዝነት ብምስራት ወይ ምግባር ንምባል to form an alliance or to make an alliance. allow ፈቐደ ወይ ሕራ ይበለ ንምባል allow. smoking isn't allowed in the hall ኣብታ ኣዳራሽ ሲጋራ ምትካኽ ኣይፍቀድን ንምባል smoking isn't allowed in the hall. ally ተሓባበረ ኪዳን ኣተወ ምስ ሓደ ሰብ ጉጅለ ወይ ነገር መተሓባበርቲ በዓል ኪዳን ሰብ ሃገር ወዘተ ንምባል ally. example a close ally of the prime minister ናይ ተቐዳማይ ሚኒስተር ናይ ቀረባ በዓል ኪዳን ንምባል a close ally of the prime minister. almost ዳርጋ ወይ ድማ ኣቢሉ ንምባል almost. almost everyone here can speak English. ዳርጋ ኣብዚ ዘሎ ኩሉ ሰብ እንግሊዝኛ ምዝራብ ይኽእል እዩ ንምባል almost everyone here can speak English. alone በይኑ ንውልቁ ብዘይ ድጋፍ ጥራይ ንበይንኻ ንብሕትኻ ንምባል alone. example she told me not to go there alone. ናብኡ በይነይ ንኸይኸይድ ነጊራትኒ ንምባል she told me not to go there alone. along ካብ ሓደ ጫፍ ክሳዕቲ ካልእ ጫፍ ወይ በቲ ተጸጋጊዑ ብሸነኽ ምስ በሓባር ንምባል ንጥቀመሉ እዩ ዚለ along. example we walked along the beach. በቲ ገምገም ባሕሪ ጌርና ተጓዒዝና ንምባል we walked along the beach. allowed بعوتا بوعوع وع بزبالة عو بمبال نمال aloud. Example, she read the text aloud to us. She read the text aloud to us. እቲ ጽሑፍ ዓው ኢላ ኣንቢባትልና ወይ ጥራዕ ኢላ ኣንቢባትልና ንምባል she read the text aloud to us. Alphabet. Alphabet. ፊደል ንምባል alphabet. Example, the English alphabet has 26 letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters. እንግሊዝኛ ቋንቋ 26 ፊደላት ኣለዎ ንምባል the English alphabet has 26 letters. Alphabetical. Alphabetical. ናይ ፊደል ወይ ፊደላዊ ንምባል alphabetical. Example, put these words in alphabetical order. Put these words in alphabetical order. እዚኦም ቃላት ብፊደላዊ መስርዕ ኣቐምጦም ንምባል put these words in alphabetical order. Already. Already. ድሮ ዛጊት ቀዲሙ ኣሻብ ኣሻዓ ንምባል ንጥቀመሉ already. Example, half the work is already finished. Half the work is already finished. እቲ ፍርቂ ዝኸውን ስራሕ ኣቐዲሙ ተወዲኡ እዩ ንምባል half the work is already finished. Also. Also. ከምኡ እውን ኣብ ርእሲኡ እውን ኣብ ልዕሊ እዚ ንምባል ንጥቀመሉ also. Example, she's fluent in English. She also speaks a little French. She's fluent in English. She also speaks a little French. እንግሊዝኛ ኣቀላጢፋ እያ ትዛረብ ፈረንሳይኛ እውን ቅቁሩብ ትዛረብ እያ ንምባል she's fluent in English. She also speaks a little French.